सब लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। स्टॉक मार्केट क्रैश हो रहा है। टीसीएस, इन्फोसिस, स्विट्जरलैंड एनर्जी, ओला इलेक्ट्रिक अमंग 264 स्टॉक डेस्क। इट इज 52 वीक लो ऑन एनएससी। और आप लोगों ने देखा निफ्टी 50 एंड सेंसेक्स आर ट्रेडिंग विद शार्प डिक्लाइन टुडे एज investor statement Trump negative aimed a sell off in the global market, raising US-Iran geopolitical tension and the threat of US trade tariff. Our stock list: Infosys, Wipro, Electrics, Tata Tech, Capit, Switzerland, Bajaj Avial. Nifty 50 and Sensex snapped their today's winning streak to trade lower on Tuesday, February 24. Benchmark indices witnessing a sharp decline today and multiple headwinds like weak statements in the global market and fresh sell-off in IT stock. As of 1:15 p.m., Nifty 50 is down 285 points or 1.1% to trade at 25,427, which a day low of 25,387. Meanwhile, BSC Sensex declined 169 points or 1.2% to trade around 82,229. Sensex hit a day low of 82,134 today. Why Indian market crashed today? Indian market saw a steep decline today and mainly due to sell-off in heavyweight IT stock like TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wipro and others. Meanwhile, the Nifty IT index is trading over 5% lower. The information technology IT sector has the second highest weightage in the Nifty 50 index at 10:83%. Hence, any fall in IT stock impact the overall benchmark index. The fresh sell-off in the IT stock came after artificial intelligence AI firm Anthropic announced that it is the cloud code tool can help modernize legacy and system built on COBOL, which target sell-off in US market as well, with the IBM share falling over 13% in the US stock market. Besides this, the rising US-Iran geopolitical concern has also made the investor and nervous, leading to the elevated Brent and crude oil price, which are currently trading around $72 per barrel. Border market indices like Nifty Midcap 100 and minus 1.1% and Nifty Small Cap 100 plus 1.1% are also trading lower. More than 260 stock hit their 52-week low. Today's as investor did profit booking aimed and weak market statements. The volatility index for India VIX is up to 4.3% to 14.79 among Nifty sectoral indices. Nifty IT minus 5.2%, Nifty Realty minus 2.8% and Nifty India minus 1.8% were the top loser, with Nifty Pharma plus 0.1% was the slow gainer. And Prominent stock at 52-week low today and stock TCS 50-week low 2,581 and 1-year return minus 29.3%. Infosys 1,277 or 1-year return minus 27.5%. Wipro 199.6 or 1-year return minus 32.1%, and Happiest means Technologies 358.3 or returns previous minus 49.7, and Ola Electric Mobility 25.5 or return previous minus 7.1%, Tata Technology 574.1 on return 21.6%, Switzerland Energy 43.5 on return minus 19.1%, Capit Technology 774.4 and minus 39.4%, Tata Exit 4,464 and return minus 3.4%, Bajaj Housing Finance 86.6 or return minus 23.3%, Indigo H and India 1019 and return minus 28.2%. L&T Technology Service 3,233, so return 33.7%. Lemon Tree Hostel 112.9 and return minus 11.8%. Bata India 800.5 and return minus 39.9%. Afcon's infrastructure 303.1 and return minus 32.2%. Vedant Fashion 409 and return minus 51.3%. Mitrumonic.com 424 or return 19.8%. Superstop 3017.1 or previous return minus 39.3. Apmops Value Housing 234.4 or return minus 21.1%. Heritage Foods 3026.1 or return minus 15.6%. Just Dial 581.1 on return minus 330.1%. Or Shakti Pampas 537.1 or return minus 39.2%. और आप लोगों ने देखा आज स्टॉक मार्केट क्रैश और टीसीएस इन्फोसिस सुजलन एनर्जी ओला इलेक्ट्रिक among 264 stock that hit 52-week low on NSE. Or Nifty 50 and Sensex are trading with a sharp decline today as investor statements are on negative MS sell-off in the global market and raising US-Iran geopolitical tensions and the threat of US tariff. और स्टॉक लिस्ट आप लोगों ने देखा इन्फोसिस विप्रो इलेक्ट्रिक टाटा टेक्स कैपिटिक स्विट्जरलैंड एंड बजाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस and Nifty and Sensex snapped their 2 days winning snack to get lower on Tuesday and February 26 benchmark indices witnessing a sharp decline today and multiple headwinds like weak statement in the global market and fresh sell-off in IT stocks. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो why the Indian market crashed today. Indian market saw steep decline today and meanwhile due to sell-off in heavyweight and IT stock that's like TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wipro and others. Meanwhile the Nifty IT index is trading over 5% lower. The information technology IT sector has the second highest weightage in the Nifty 50 index at 10.83%. Hence, any fail on IT stock impact the overall benchmark index.